The Department of Justice announced today that it was dropping the investigation and rescinding its report into the Phoenix Police Department. In a press release, the DOJ said, quote, "Today we are ending the Biden Civil Rights Division's failed experiment of handcuffing local leaders and police departments with factually unjustified consent decrees," end quote. This is fantastic news for the Phoenix Police Department, the city of Phoenix, and the citizens of Phoenix. It was a team effort to fight back against the Biden DOJ's attempt to hamstring law enforcement in this city. Thank you to Congressman Hamadeh and Arizona Senate President Warren Peterson for their efforts in particular throughout. And of course, a very special thank you to the Phoenix Mayor and City Council for encouraging open and honest dialogue with citizens and law enforcement representation groups. Before some of you think that this decision to rescind the report was inappropriate, remember this: the DOJ got it wrong as a matter of law. The U.S. Supreme Court made it clear that the DOJ's stance on homelessness was not supported by law. And the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals proved that the DOJ's perspective on how Phoenix handled protest issues was also wildly incorrect. The DOJ consistently warped facts and falsified statements like those of former Phoenix commander, now Cottonwood Police Chief Brian Freudenthal, all things that we pushed back on in previous videos. Now that the attempt is over, the men and women of Phoenix law enforcement can breathe easier. I was glad to have been a part of the effort by ASCOPS and PPSLA to represent the truth. Finally, thank you AG Pam Bondi and President Trump for looking into these Biden-era efforts to stifle police work. The Phoenix Police Department isn't perfect. No agency is. But it is a world-class law enforcement agency. And there is no pattern or practice of constitutional violations. But there was a false and misleading report by a DOJ that was clearly biased and not looking to conduct a fair investigation. I'm proud to help represent the men and women of Phoenix PD while they continue to serve. And I'm proud to say that I stand with the men and women in uniform who have sworn to uphold the Constitution and laws of the United States, just like I have. I'm Steve Cerbalic. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.